Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Ali, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Sounds so weird. I don't know if in video it's going to sound very echoey like it does right now, but if it does, I don't know what to tell you. I am in a very empty room, very empty space, so just bear with me. Come get ready with me. I'm going to do a lash review and I want my hair to look cute, even though it doesn't really show up on camera, but I still want it to be cute. So in this video, I will be curling my hair and I will be using a new curling iron. I want to see how it works and might as well just give you my opinion. So you want to see me get ready and see how I curl my hair, then I suggest you to keep on watching. Let's begin. The curler that I'm trying today is going to be the BABYLISS curling iron. I was pronouncing it wrong, my smartass. In the size 1.5 inches. So I've heard a lot about this brand. I don't think I've tried this brand specifically, but I could be wrong because I do have a curler same size that I've used for so many years and I cannot find the name on the curler. It just with time erased, and it heats up to 450. This is my favorite barrel size to curl my hair with when I want something very effortlessly or a loose curl, a loose wave. This is my go-to. Oh, the cord is different. It is like a rope. This is the first time ever. Interesting. Wow. Are all these curlers have the same type of cord? I wonder. Also, there is a lot of road work going on outside, so there will be a lot of noise here and there. These, you can find them directly on their website or also on Amazon. I did see them on Amazon. I will leave their link down below if you guys happen to like this. Curler finished warming up. Nothing compared to the curler that I tried in one of my last videos. That one had me mind blown because it warmed up in like less than 30 seconds. I am not exaggerating. I was very impressed. These are more loose curls, so I'm going to grab chunkier pieces. A bunch of lashes I want to review. This part right here feels very light. Okay, nice. I think I sound kind of weird because I'm trying not to talk like I regularly talk, because in this room or this space it is amplified like 1,000 times louder. So that's why probably you hear me weird. I'm trying not to talk so loud. I do not have any product on my hair. Sometimes I do put a little bit of a heat protectant, but not all the time. This feels light. I don't know how to explain it. Like, all my curlers have like a strong grip, and this one I feel that if I press a little bit, it just opens up fast, which I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. But curls are pretty. And sometimes I'm like, I don't want to do my hair for a lash video because if you guys have watched my lash videos, usually they're very up close and personal, so my hair doesn't really show. But I don't know, I just end up doing my hair either way. I am done with one side, and based on what I see, the curls did come out more loose than when I curl it with my other curler. So I don't know if it's because I still don't have it on the highest heat, but I'm going to put it up and see if that is the case. Wait, in the box it says that it goes up to 450 Fahrenheit, but well, it just goes to 430 unless it's 450 when you press the turbo, what it says there, but I don't know. But we'll see right now. Okay, that looks much better. I think I did press it to go hotter. I think that's what I meant. But the thing is that I don't know, like if I press it once, would it automatically start heating up to that level? And how do I take it off? Do I just try it? I don't know. No, it came out. Ugh. This is annoying. The grip is not there. I'm so used to my other curlers that have a grip. I never experienced this with my other curlers. This curler reminds me a lot of the Conair curlers, the way it looks. And I was looking for a Conair curler in this size, but I couldn't find one. So yeah, because I love my Conair curler. The 1 1/4" is amazing. And it is not that expensive, I feel. I'm going to finish this side of my hair and I'll be right back. I am done curling both sides of my hair. For some reason, this one seems less tight. And this side right here has more tightness to the curls. Maybe because I pressed the turbo thing. Either way, my goal for these curls are for them to be loose. So, doesn't matter. There you go, that looks much better. Yeah, I think on the first one, since it didn't have the turbo thing on, well, I don't even know when it's on or when it's off. But after I pressed that, it went, the heat, I think the heat went up. I'm assuming that is when it goes up to 450 Fahrenheit because it does not show there, the 450. I'm going to finish up this whole thing and I'll be right back. I am done curling my entire hair and this is how the curls look without me running my fingers through it or brushing them out. They look pretty good. The grip was kind of getting on my nerves because my hair just kept slipping out. And as I mentioned at the beginning, the grip felt kind of light, which I didn't know if it was a good or a bad thing. My other hair curlers, their grip feels pretty good. And I've never had the problem of the hair slipping out of the barrel. But the curls, they come out so pretty. Usually I spray some hairspray on my flyaways because I have quite a few. But this time I'm going to use something different. I'm going to use a spray wax. This is it. Hopefully that calms this frizziness down. Oh, this is good. This is really good. Just run my fingers through my hair. I don't want to lose too much of the curl. And voila! I'm going to put some of these on my face right now. Yeah, let's put two. Ooh, that is pretty. I don't know if you guys could see it. That is so pretty. I think I should do another one right here. They're so cute. It is very subtle. These are very nice and they have a lot of different little gems in this pack. I think it was a pack of 10 if I'm not wrong. I'll just leave it linked down below so you guys could go and check it out. But I feel that the amount you get of different styles for the price is a really, really, really good price. Now I'm going to prep my eyes to have them ready to apply the lashes. And all I do, since my lashes are super stubborn, is I lightly curl them. And then from there, I just apply mascara. Lightly too. I forgot to pack my lip liner, and guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil to line my lips. I think it's a little too dark, giving some chola vibes. Gloss, yes, pink. And now I am ready to go and film my lash video. So if you like what you've seen, give this video a thumbs up. It is always greatly appreciated. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video, my lash video. Bye.